In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshot with OBS Studio, OBS tutorial. If you've ever wanted a clean, high-quality still image from your stream or recording setup, OBS makes it quick and reliable. We'll cover the fastest way to capture a screenshot, how to set up hotkeys so you can grab images on the fly, and where to find and manage those files afterward. Start by opening OBS Studio and making sure the scene you want is visible in the preview. Your scene is the collection of everything you've arranged, your display capture, webcam, overlays, and any other sources. When you're ready, right-click on your scene or on a specific source in the sources list. You'll see options to save scene screenshot or save source screenshot. Choose save scene screenshot if you want exactly what you see in the preview, every visible source in the current layout. Choose save source screenshot if you only need one item, like just your webcam or a single game window. This is great for thumbnails or assets where you don't want the entire composition. If you plan to take screenshots frequently, setting up hotkeys is a time saver. Go to File, then Settings, and open the Hotkeys tab. Scroll until you find Screenshot Output and Screenshot Source. Screenshot Output captures the full visible scene. Screenshot Source captures whichever source you've selected that has a hotkey assigned. Click in the box next to the action you want, press your preferred key combination, and then click Apply to lock it in. Pick something you won't hit by accident and that doesn't conflict with other shortcuts. Keep in mind that these hotkeys work when OBS is active, so make sure the app is in focus when you use them. To view your saved images, go to File and choose Show Recordings. This opens the folder where OBS stores your screenshots. By default, screenshots are saved alongside your recordings, which keeps everything in one place. If you want a dedicated folder for images, you can change the save location in Settings under Output, point it to a directory you regularly back up or organize so you never lose track of your captures. That's all you need to start taking crisp screenshots in OBS. Use the right-click option for quick one-offs, set hotkeys for speed during live work, and keep your files organized by adjusting the save path. Thanks for watching, and happy capturing.